Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. Court is in session on this announcement docket. First case that we have is cause number 331266. Case is styled the state of Texas versus George Washington Nett. Mr. Nett, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Nett?
All right, sir.
That's good. Mr. Nett, you're here represented by your attorney Bruce Cobb.
Yes, sir.
Attorney Cobb, how are you doing?
Doing okay, Your Honor.
That's good. The state is represented by Assistant District Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
Good, William. Thank you.
Mr. Cobb, what is your announcement in Mr. Nett's case?
I would like to look at the videos, Your Honor, before we go any further, so I can certify the discovery's been done. So,
Okay, you say you would like to look at the
videos,
there's some videos in the case?
other videos.
I'm not sure. Are they not on the discovery?
Well, the discovery you sent me mostly was the, the invest and all this other stuff.
Sure.
Here's something, I'll talk to you afterwards.
I mean, this is, I see this is a burglary of a vehicle case. You think there's some videos in that?
Well, when he was arrested, after he was arrested. When he stopped. Just, I think he was, weren't you apprehended? Were you and the guy? Well, we could talk about that later, Your Honor.
I'm sure there's a body cam video. That's what you're referring to.
Right.
Oh, okay.
There is one other thing too. I need to kind of find out something. But if this case goes to trial, Your Honor, we're probably going to try punishment before the jury as well. And what I would like to do is ask for a mental health professional to be appointed, because he will be needed for punishment. We have to go that far.
Okay, so are you suggesting that there are some there's reason to believe that your client may, hold on a minute.
Well, Your Honor, I think that's going to be relevant to the punishment.
Okay. So let me ask you something. Are you suggesting that there may be some evidence that your client may be incompetent to stand trial? That's what you're asking for?
No, I'm not saying that he is incompetent. I believe he is competent, but I believe that the mental health individual's testimony would help in the mitigation of the defense.
Okay, well, you have.
The only offer I have is jail time.
Okay, it's not, I mean, it's within the punishment range, so.
Yeah.
So, but I mean, if, whatever you're gonna request of the court, you need to file a motion,
I'll go ahead and do that.
a written motion. And then the court will review it to see whether or not, the court will grant it or not. Okay?
Yeah.
But at the same time, when were you appointed on this case?
I'm not sure, several months ago.
Hold on a minute. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna find out.
February 15th, 2022.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August. But almost 8 months. And we still at the in the announcement phase. So
If I could work it out with the prosecutor.
well, that's between you and the prosecutor, but we're not gonna keep these this case in the announcement docket because we have the same problem every time you come. You're saying you can't get discovery. Discovery is available on the portal. Only thing you have to do if you can't get it on the portal is to call the DA's office or go up to the DA's office. And so we keep resetting it. So we're gonna reset this case. I'm gonna put it on the pre-trial conference docket. Okay? Give us a reset. Yes.
November 7th.
Okay, this case is gonna be reset November 7th of 2022. We're gonna have a pre-trial conference. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, just stand over there on the X. Yeah, Mr. Savoy, once you get your reset, from your attorney. You'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Cobb, I think this is your only case that you have. You'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day. Next case is cause number 330038. Case style of state of Texas versus Cariana Savoy. Good morning. Next case is cause number 330038. Case of style of state of Texas versus Cariana Savoy. Ms. Savoy, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Savoy? That's good. Ms. Savoy, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Peter Doyle. Attorney Doyle, how are you doing?
Pretty fair, Judge.
That's good. Mr. Doyle, what is your announcement in Ms. Savoy's case?
We desire trial.
Okay, we're gonna reset it for trial. Give us a reset date for trial.
January 23rd.
Okay. Okay, this case will be reset for trial, January 23rd, 2023. Mr. Doyle, you're gonna sign for your reset and Ms. Savoy. Once you sign for your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes,
I'm here with my client Emiliano Beltran.
Hold on, Mr. Bell.
okay.
Yeah,
Mr. Beltran, would you please come forward? His name is Emiliano
Beltran.
Alcala Beltran.
Yes.
Mr. Beltran, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Beltran, you have three cases. They are cause number 331664, cause number 331666, and cause number 331668. Now, we show here that the attorney of record is Attorney Francisco Fernandez.
Yes.
Okay, and
I am Attorney Kendra Vega. I work with him.
Kendra Vega.
Yes. Kendra Vega. Do you want my bar number?
Vega, Attorney Kendra Vega. I mean, we're on YouTube. I mean, if you want to write it down for our stick.
So, I believe we're still trying to get discovery around.
Okay, now, okay. Okay, you say y'all still trying to get discovery?
Yes, sir.
I think the way it works in Jefferson County, they have a discovery portal. They'll give you access to a computer. Is that correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
it's all online.
And I spoke with Attorney Francisco Fernandez yesterday, Your Honor, and explained that same thing to him about the discovery portal and how it worked. And he told me today that Attorney Vega would be filling in for him and that he would request a reset so that he can, because he didn't understand how to work our system. And I told him that we wouldn't have any objection or opposition to the reset.
Okay. Give us about a 60-day reset. Now, you're out of Houston?
Yes.
Okay. Would 60 days be enough time?
Monday or Wednesdays?
Wednesday.
Okay, so that would be December 14th.
Okay. Mr. Beltran, your case will be reset to December 14th of 2022. Now, well, before we get started on Mr. Beltran, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Francis. You're representing, you have your attorney of record is Francisco Fernandez. However, standing in for Attorney Francisco Fernandez is Attorney Kendra Vega. Now, does Ms. Vega have your permission to handle your case on behalf of your attorney, Francisco Fernandez?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, Ms. Vega, our court coordinator is gonna give you a reset. I think you have to sign for the reset. Once your attorney signs for the reset, she'll give it to you. Once you get the reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Ms. Vega, you'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you very much.
Okay, stand on the 4X in front of our coordinator. You're welcome.
You won't be able to see that.
Court will be in recess. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in 2 cases. First case is cause number 331-490. Second case is cause number 331-686. Both cases are styled Potato, Texas versus Andrew Stevens Ritchie. Mr. Ritchie, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Ritchie?
Good, how are you, Honor?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Ritchie, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Wright Kimmler. Attorney Kimmler, how are you doing?
Well, yeah.
That's good. Mr. Kimmler, what is your announcement of Mr. Ritchie cases?
Yeah, we're asking to be set concurrently with his felony.
Okay.
November 7th, I believe.
Yes, it's set, I see it's set for November 7th. State, you have any objections?
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Ritchie, these cases will be set with your felony cases on November 7th, 2022. On that date, you need to come and check in here with our bailiff
Yes,
so that we know that you're here. And then once you go to the 252nd District Court, once you finish down there, then you're gonna come back here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you and your attorney. Okay, so Mr. Ritchie, your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once he signs for your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir, you too.
And Mr., okay, you're welcome. You can stand over there. And Mr. Kimmler, you'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
All right, she'll give you the reset.
Mr. Bailey, would you please give Brian Davis?
Yes.
What is for your attorney?
I don't know if there's a shot. Yeah. Yeah. Now you're back in. So, yeah, we're good with that. Okay. That's the easy stuff. If you're already doing it.
Right, exactly. We just keep it all.
Mr. Davis, your full name is Brian Lee Davis?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Davis?
You doing all right?
That's good, Mr. Davis. You're here represented by Attorney Bruce Gregory. Attorney Gregory, how you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Mr. or Judge Gregory, what's your announcement?
Well, Your Honor, we would like a reset. Mr. Davis got a subsequent DWI that was committed back in the month of May. It has not yet been filed.
Oh, okay.
And we would like to handle both of those at the same time. And so, and of course, I've not gotten anything on the new DWI.
Hold on, let me, has it been received by the DA's office?
It was filed yesterday, Judge.
Oh, that's what it says. Yeah, there's a warrant.
Well, which court did it land in?
It's not on this. It was just filed. So once it's filed,
It's cause number 3333282.
well, it's probably be here. It's an ended in an even
It's in
number.
our court.
Very good.
Yeah,
That's-
so, yeah, so there's a, we can reset it for about 60 days.
That would be fine, Your Honor.
Yeah, and he's, once you sign for the reset and give it to him, he has to follow the bailiff.
Your Honor, well, we would ask, if I, am correct, Mr. Davis is, currently in AA, and going to, AA meetings regularly.
I think he has some bond conditions.
Yes, sir, he does have bond conditions, and we're asking if you would, amend the bond conditions to add, a condition that, the defendant here, keep a log of,
Well, let me do this here. That's his second DWI?
Yes, Your
Yeah, I'm
Honor.
gonna have to amend the conditions anyway, because, yeah, go ahead on and give me that.
Well, he has the interlock.
Oh, he already has
device
the interlock.
Already has the
Let me
interlock
see, hold on a
device, Your Honor.
And he's attending AA, and what was the other condition?
just to keep a log of the AA, so that.
Yeah, he should have that. When you go to AA, don't they give you a sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and do you have that? Because he has, if not, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute.
program and has been involved in AA since that time, and we will gladly provide, have him do a log as a condition of bond and submit it to the court at the court's request, upon demand. Or on a regular basis, if the court chooses.
Okay,
There were some life events that took place and put him in a real spiral, and we think he's on a good path at the present.
now you had mentioned that he had went to a, he,
I provided the DA copy of this yesterday, Your Honor. It's from Cypress Lake Lodge, indicating that he checked in back in June and completed the 30-day program.
was it inpatient?
Yes, sir. This is located in the other side of Woodville. I didn't even know they had such a thing in there. I drive by it frequently.
Okay. So he has to, I guess they have the aftercare is the MAP support services. Is that it? It's a program that says, he is committed to his recovery and sobriety. He will begin attending AA meetings and will be in contact with the MAP support services.
I don't
This
know
is a
that.
service offered that will contact him weekly and give him 24/7 a week access to a counselor. I'm just reading, so that's, I guess that's part of the program.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Now, how many days a week are you going to AA?
I've been going 2, 3, 4.
Okay. I'm just, now, the reason why you say you go sometimes 2, 3, 4, why are you not consistent as to one, like if it's 2 days a week or 3 days a week?
Work,
You work because of work?
yes, sir.
So at a minimum, because of your work, you can do 2 days a week. That's what I'm hearing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I think that's what we had previously required you to do in the other one, under the other bond conditions. So we're gonna continue at least a minimum of 2 times a week. And we're gonna say provide proof to the court. I have a sheet here that I'm gonna give you that you let's have, bless you, yeah. Every time you go, they're gonna sign that, date it, and then when you come back to court here, you need to bring that with you so we can verify that you are attending the AA in a program. Now, the other thing is, we're gonna ask that you continue, we're gonna ask that you continue to participate in treatment with Cypress Lake Lodge and follow all of their recommendations. And treatment plan. This is effective. Okay, so Mr. Davis, in calls numbers 331-952 and calls number 333-282, the court is going to give you standard bond conditions in County Court Law number 2. And the bond conditions reads as follows: following the arrest or following the return of a criminal information in County Court Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein or ordered subject to the following additional condition. Number 1, the defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state or any other state. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol and the test indicates the presence of drugs or alcohol in the defendant's body, and that's pursuant to the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 17.44, Section A2 and Section C2. Do you understand that condition?
Yes, sir.
Now, condition number 3 does not apply, so I'll go to condition number 4. Condition number 4 states, a defendant whose information charges, I say any offense listed under section 4904 through 4906 of Texas Penal Code shall not operate any motor vehicle unless the vehicle is equipped with an interlock device mechanism that makes impractical the operation of the vehicle if ethyl alcohol is detected in the breath of the operator, and said device shall be installed at the defendant's expense with written verification of such installation being submitted to the court on or before the date scheduled for the defendant's initial appearance. Now, you already have the interlock, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And number 5, attend AANA meetings 2 times a week and provide proof to the court, and your attorney gave you the sheet that you are to make sure that you bring that with you. They will sign it. I think at the meetings you have a sponsor. The sponsor will sign it, indicating that you have attended the meeting. And then when you come to court, you need to bring that sheet back with you, and that's your proof. Now, you will continue to participate in treatment with Cypress Lakes Lodge and follow all their recommendations and treatments plan. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So your attorney Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked. And if your bond is revoked, that means that a warrant will be issued for your arrest and you'll be placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Davis, your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you give your reset, you can follow the bailiff. And you have a blessed day, Mr. Gregory, you have a blessed day as well. You're welcome. Oh, I need a copy of that. Yeah. Mr. Cruz?
Hi, good morning.
Mr. Cruz, we're looking to the matter. I think they say your attorney may be in trial in another court. But the bailiff did see him this morning, and we're gonna see if he is actually in trial. If he's in trial, your case will be reset.
Yeah,
All right, so just hold on. And you can put your mic back on mute. Thank you.